Parang si Kite yun, no?
Parang okay, speed cake guys, let's go to that. Blue, oh, sorry, louder. Let's go. Paki-wipe out lahat ng anito sa MVP platform. Do not go. Do not guys, walang bababa ng shares. All pink, prioritize around MVP platform. Black, monk, your part. Pasagin mo na natin yung guys, do not go down the stairs, please. Doon lang kayo sa taas. All pink, scatter. Paghapon na yung MVP. Guys, do not go down there. Give me a beard, secure. Good. Okay, nice one. Good. Okay, Doc, your party please move block to the base. And black team, move to the near side. Black team, pink will stay at the MVP platform, and then red will go to the near. Let's go. Move now. Black near side, red middle. Kong's party. Okay, Kong's party. Report if may kalaban or what. Go party. Kirby. Tignan natin. All pink walang maliligaw. Pink ay stay at the entry. Blue division stay at the entry. Binilagay ako kung doon na defense
Vision sa mate, merong SD. Vision sa mate.
Okay, pink and blue. MVP, bakit wala pa rin napapatay? Pink, blue, you're the MVP, it's both sides. Okay, good? Three sides lahat. Zid someone nga naman. Pwede. Lahat ng nasa mid, go far side daw. Lahat ng nasa mid, go first. Lahat ng nasa mid, go far side daw. And lahat ng nasa near side, punta kayo na mid. Hindi pa nasi-secure yung sa
Hindi namin sa loob.
Hindi pa na namin. Kaya,
May turning na lang ba?
yeah. May lahat ng nag-respond, pag-pin na sa Vision Zero, guys, pas ako muna ng base natin. Pati na lang, mananala.
Poker!
Agad-agad.